India's trade is thriving, with exports rising to $820.93 billion in FY25. Now, a new bilateral trade agreement with the United States also aims to push trade to $500 billion by 2030 when it's put in place. Now, March exports hit $73.61 billion, while the non-petroleum exports had reached a record $37.07 billion. Inflation too has eased to 3.34%. That boosts economic stability as well as global partnerships. Let's look at this report.
India's trade landscape, currently on a resilient growth path, is gearing up for further momentum. India and the United States have officially signed the terms of reference for the first phase of a bilateral trade agreement. This marks a major step toward boosting bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030. Virtual discussions are set to begin this month, while the next in-person talks are scheduled for mid-May. Back home, India's economy is consistently demonstrating resilience and gathering further strength. Total exports, including goods and services, for the last financial year witnessed a tangible growth touching 73.6 billion mark, up from 71.71. Imports grew to $77.23 billion, signaling strong demand of Indian goods. For financial year 2025, merchandise exports stood at $437.42 billion, while overall exports jumped 5.5% to $820.93 billion. And here's the record breaker. India's non-petroleum merchandise exports clocked its highest figure ever, reaching $37.07 billion, marking a 6% growth compared to the previous year's number. And there's more good news as well. India's retail inflation in March dropped to 3.34%, the lowest since 2019, as food prices continue to ease and producers' inflation based on wholesale price index, or WPI, dropped to 4-month low of over 2% in March 2025. With strengthening global partnerships and improving economic indicators, India is paving the way for a more stable and ambitious economic future. Tripti Tripaঠি's report for DD India.